Welcome to How to Command Part 2. We will use help as our first command. Help is the easiest command. Here is per help. It will tell you how to use commands. See? There are also pages. 39 is the last page. 1 is the first page. Help does not work on command block. I'm going to try a random page. It shows more info. Comment your favorite page or command help.